We just got this drop off here, BMW M240i. Unfortunately, he was sideswiped at a red light. Whole quarter panel's pushed in, tail lights broken, rear bumper's messed up. Obviously the suspension's gonna be damaged as well. So we're gonna talk to the insurance and see what's going on.
You'll create a window to go ahead and get access to the internal damage on the vehicle. As you guys can see, the inner wheel house is a little bit slightly bent. However, you're not going to be able to see that with the quarter panel overlapping it. So therefore, we're creating what's called the window to get full access on what's damaged inside, behind the quarter panel. So that's exactly what we're going to do just now. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, here's the extra damage that was found. But again, we wouldn't be able to find that out if we didn't create this window, right? To get access to actually look at what's behind the damage. So there you guys have it. Now it's time to call the insurance, let them know there's more damage found on the vehicle. Send the supplement now. These are all the parts for all these cars. Again, all OEM parts. You guys can see quarter panel jobs. You know, we get them new, try to pay used. I don't know why they try to pay used, but new quarter panels, new bumpers, new rebars, new radiator supports, new headlights, everything's on this truck. You know?
Oh, it's for the purple M240?
This is for the purple M240, yes. We got you a new one, brother. So right now we're actually inspecting the quarter panel, making sure that it doesn't come damaged from the dealer. However, you guys can see there is some damage right here. You know, to the tail light pocket. Some little scuffs here. So, I mean, a lot of this could be straightened up, but we still gotta let them know that it came damaged. If it's damaged, then obviously we rather get a brand new one. You know, we rather get a brand new one to make sure that it's new. You know how the insurance paid for it.
This king got heat.
We just finished going clear on this full car. I think we could actually go in. You can see brand new bumper, brand new corner. I believe we repaired the door. Yeah, we repaired the door. We repaired the rocker. You guys can see this whole side had to be completely painted. At one point, this whole side was missing, right? We had to completely tear it down, cut it off to pretty much put the new one back on. The door also had minor little dents, which we went ahead and took care of it for the customer. Yeah, so you guys can see the whole aperture panel that's completely repainted, right? Alright guys, so just like that, we have completed the repairs on the M240. Saw the vehicle came in horrible conditions. However, he brought it to the right place, and therefore the vehicle's repairs got done properly. The vehicle is back to pre-existing conditions. Customer's happy and on his way home.
Right behind me, a beautiful M3 all the way from Idaho. One of many out-of-state customers ended up bringing his car down. He wanted to go ahead and get the sauce, so he called us up and he's about to go insane. Crazy build, stage 2 built motor, stage 2 transmission. He's gonna go with a big single turbo 6870. He's gonna go absolutely insane. You guys stay tuned. I'm so excited for this build. It has a great spec, red buckets. This guy's about to go crazy. Guys, this is one of many crazy builds that PQ has done, and we're just adding on. You guys, man, I'm excited for this one.
La transmisión del nuevo kit Stage 2. So, así es como quedan los clutches con el housing del Stage 2. So, es algo chingón, más performance, más power, más torque, tiene más completo lo que es todo el set de la transmisión.
Yep, that's the goal. Bye.
Tenemos Stage 3 engine, so tenemos la instalación de la manifold, Stage 2 transmission, ya lo tenemos listo para lo que es la instalación, lo vamos a instalar en este momento, ya instalado vamos a instalar lo que es el turbo kit, se lo vamos a dejar finalizado para que el customer pueda manejarlo las 500 millas, luego de las 500 millas él va a regresar para atrás, le vamos a hacer lo que es el custom tune y dyno, así es que quédense pendientes para ver qué es lo que va a proceder con este Big Turbo Engine. Del Turbo Housing y este queda de esta manera.
It's all pretty under there too. Yeah, this is fucking sick.
Yeah, you have obviously the turbo kit. You have your Rev 2. Obviously the manifold.
Okay.
Fully built 3.0 motor. Stage 2 trans converter. Dry shaft, axles, everything. Pretty much did the whole 9.
I tried to do it all, honestly. Yeah. I didn't want to send it back, so.
You really did, honestly.
Unless I break it, then it's got to come back, but.
I think you pretty much took care of everything, and
yeah, only thing is missing, wheels should be coming in soon, and then just, no, it's a beast, man.
Yeah,
it's definitely.
it's gonna make some power for sure.
Yeah, man, I'm excited. You're gonna be representing out there in Idaho.
I'm gonna be racing myself.
I know. There's no one that's gonna be
fucking nobody down there. I mean, they're out there just.
Yeah, because I know your friend has He has a Cobra, right? Or the Mustang?
He's got he has one of these that's single on stock motor, and then he's got that GT500.
Yeah, GT500.
Yeah, ported heads, everything like that. Yeah, I'm excited about it. I'm curious to see how much different it drives on the single setup versus.
I mean, with the new Rev 2, you get the Roy anti-lag and everything. So.
Cool.
Yeah, but once the boost kicks in, this thing's scary.
Yeah, that's what I'm excited for.
Yeah,
the scary part of it. That sounds wicked.
Your house is gonna sound much better.
I know, I was literally just gonna ask. That's not even the T51 yet.
That's not.
Oh my god. Yeah, that